Hello everyone, let's try to learn one more name reaction which is hydroboration oxidation. So here what exactly happens means it is just a simply addition of water that we will do according to anti-Markovnikov rule, and it is thin addition. Means the H and OH will be added on the same side of the alkene. Alright, let's try to see with one example. Let's take this propene CH3CH double bond CH2. Alright, and the reagent that we will use here, it is, let me write it with another color. Yeah, BH3 CHF presence of this H2O OH negative. This is the reagent for this hydroboration oxidation, and here we'll get the product as this. Here I have already mentioned that it occurs according to anti-Markovnikov rule. So what exactly means, the OH will be added on less substituted carbon. Here if you see these two carbons, this one is less substituted carbon, right? So OH will be added on this carbon. So let me write the product CH CH2OH. So why it is in addition means it adds the H and OH on the same side of this particular alkene. Alright, so this is how the reaction occurs, and you don't need to go through whole mechanism in order to write the product. It's just simple addition of water. So just I'll tell you the short trick. See, just break this bond and add OH on the less substituted carbon. So add over here OH and add here H, and it is a syn addition. So here are the few key points that you need to know, as I have already discussed above. This occurs according to anti-Markovnikov addition. That means OH adds on a less substituted carbon, and it is a syn addition. Here there is no formation of carbocation, so obviously there will be no rearrangement takes place. So you can remember this way: boron brings OH to the less crowded side. This in this line itself, you can just have an idea what exactly the hydroboration oxidation, because boron means we are using this BH3 THF, right? And brings this OH to the less crowded side, means this addition of water occurs according to anti-Markovnikov rule. So this is how you can have an idea about this reaction through this particular one. All right, so I hope you have understood this reaction, and yeah, that's it. Just take care of yourself. Bye.